That sound. It's the sound of a chore we all dread. Wrinkles. They can make a brand new, expensive outfit look like it's been stuffed in a drawer for years. But what if you could banish wrinkles in seconds, without that heavy, clunky iron and bulky board? I tested the top clothes steamers of 2025, and the results were so revolutionary, I literally packed my iron away for good. One of these steamers works 3 times faster than the others, and it's not the one you'd expect. Get ready to see your wardrobe in a whole new, wrinkle-free light. Starting at number 1. Electrolux Garment Steamer. Best overall. We're charmed by the Electrolux Garment Steamer's slim and sleek appearance, comfortable grip, and overall efficiency. We found that it heats up almost immediately, which couldn't be said about any of our other picks. It works quickly and easily to release wrinkles in silk, cotton, polyester, and linen garments. While it took between 6 and 9 minutes to freshen up each item, which was about average among the 28 steamers we tested, the process was smooth and straightforward and took little effort from us. We also really enjoyed the lint brush and fabric brush attachments. The lint brush, in particular, took care of wrinkles and collected pet fur from clothes worn around a shedding dog, making this a great pick for a pet owner who wants a neat shirt. This steamer is under 3 pounds but feels sturdy while in use. The 10-ounce water tank was also big enough to last through most of our testing and only required 1 refill in more than 20 minutes of usage, so you can expect to steam a full outfit or long dress in one go. During a second round of steaming with this pick, we got through 3 items on 1 tank, which we were pleased with. Number 2. Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam Fabric Steamer. Best runner-up. After testing it at home for 6 months, the Conair Turbo ExtremeSteam handheld fabric steamer has fully replaced an iron. We found that it efficiently removed all the wrinkles in all the garments we tried, even delicate dresses. The steamer has 5 different steam settings so you can adjust accordingly for any clothing, fabric, and other household items you can surprisingly clean with a steamer. It comes with a plethora of attachments, a silicone band for tight fabric placement while steaming, a bristle brush, and a delicate fabric spacer that gives you extra help achieving smooth lines and getting the steam to penetrate your materials. With a cord just over 9 feet, you also have room to stand, bend, and reach the different areas of your garments. This isn't quite as long as the cord on our best overall pick, that comes in at 12 feet, but it's still plenty long to go from the collars to the cuffs. As for its performance in our lab, at first, we did notice a bit of water spitting as we started using this steamer, like with many of our picks, and there was some minor leaking when this steamer wasn't fully upright. But, once we let it heat up properly, it seemed to fix the issue. During a second round of steaming, we didn't notice any water spitting or leaking. Number 3. Chi Handheld Garment Steamer. Best value. The Chi Handheld Garment Steamer for clothes is one of the few steamers, out of 28 total that we've tested, that made it through the entirety of our testing without needing a tank refill, and it's the only handheld steamer that managed this feat. The 10.1-ounce water tank is the largest among our favorite handheld picks, although not among uprights, but it doesn't feel overly bulky or heavy. It has a 10-foot cord which comes in right in the middle of our favorites, and is plenty long enough to handle any size garment, or bedding. We've even used this on sheets. A small detail we appreciate is that the manufacturer takes care to include tips and tricks in the manual, so even beginners can be sure that they're steaming efficiently, like, it can be easier to steam pants when they're hanging upside down by the cuffs. Number 4. Pure Enrichment Pure Steam Pro Clothes Steamer. Best standing. The sleek, versatile, full-sized Pure Enrichment Pure Steam Pro Upright Clothes Steamer is a great choice if you have a bit more room in your home. The upright design features a pole, hanger, and clips that allow you to hang the garments you're steaming, making for an easy, all-in-one steaming station. The base of the unit is also clever. It has a triangular shape that features a foot pedal to turn it on and off, keeping your hands free to steam or make adjustments. At home, we used it weekly on pretty much everything: bedding, curtains, shirts, pants, and more. The dial on the front allows you to set the steam level to one of its 4 levels. Level 1 is the gentlest, and it goes all the way up to 4, specifically for suits. Our garments were steamed and looked fresh in under 5 minutes each, making this one of the fastest of all 28 machines we tested. This steamer also has a detachable, 2-liter water tank, which contributes to a whopping 60 minutes of steam time. This means you can get through multiple outfits, or even an entire load of laundry in one go. We especially like how easy it is to remove and fill the tank. Number 5. Polardo Handheld Portable Travel Garment Steamer. Most compact. For a steamer that you can rely on for quick, on-the-go touch-ups, we like the Polardo Handheld Portable Travel Garment Steamer. Its compact size, the smallest of our picks, and straightforward design are great for packing and travel, and for light home use, too. The tank can hold up to 4 ounces of water, roughly 1/3 of a can of soda. This is the smallest water capacity of our picks, but that's to be expected for a travel-friendly clothes steamer. While there are other handheld steamers on our list that you could technically travel with, this is the most compact of the bunch, and it performs similarly to the others, so we think it's a great option for anyone looking for an efficient model that'll fit in their suitcase. It heats quickly, too. There's just one steam setting, but it proved effective on our linen pants, pillowcase, and dress shirt. Plus, the included lint brush helped brush away the extra fuzz. We noticed that it works best on linen and lightweight fabrics, but that's not unusual for a travel steamer. This steamer may be tedious for larger tasks, like curtains or multiple outfits at a time, but it'll easily freshen up your clothes on your next work trip. And that's how you take your style from just woke up to red carpet ready in under a minute. Whether you're a busy professional, a frequent traveler, or just someone who wants to look sharp with minimal effort, one of these steamers is your new secret weapon. To get that crisp, professional look for yourself, all the product links, with my exclusive discount codes, are waiting for you in the video description below. If this video saved you from a lifetime of ironing frustration, please press that like button. It helps more people discover these life-changing gadgets. Share this with someone who hates ironing as much as you do, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell because next week, we're revealing the 5 best compact washing machines that are taking over apartments in 2025. You won't want to miss it.